China's housing market, once a symbol of prosperity, has shaken. Since the late 70s, rapid urbanization, excessive loans and overbuilding sent house prices soaring. Massive property bubble had prices up to 40 times the average Chinese salary. In 2020, China introduced the Three Red Lines policy, limiting lending by property developers to curb debt and speculative investments. For example, Evergrande, one of China's largest developers, which has a $300 billion debt, struggled to raise funds, leading to a bankruptcy filing. The policy, rising interest rates and slowing economy decreased demand for new homes, affecting developers. Country Garden is another major developer defaulted on its debts when failed to make interest payments on $2 bonds last month. Now China faces a tough decision. It can give the economy a quick boost with an economic stimulus, but the inflated property prices still remain. Do you think China should opt for quick fixes or pursue a comprehensive, long-term strategy to tackle this issue? Share your thoughts below.